Best deals.
Product link is given in the description. Chopper. The Vortex Flow SS304 blades are dynamically balanced, eliminating vibration and doubles bush life. This is a process that is unique to mixer grinders. Self-lubricating bronze bushes guarantees years of trouble-free operation. Our ergonomic sturdy handles incorporates square-shanked bolts and nuts, firmly securing the handles onto the jars and will never loosen over the lifetime of the product. Experience the freedom of portable blending. Allows you to quickly and easily chop fruits and vegetables, making it simpler than ever for everyday cooking. Expertly designed system lets you effortlessly mix and grind the toughest ingredients in Indian cooking, both wet and dry, from turmeric and coconut to idli batter, smoothies and much more, perfect for quick chopping, mincing and processing. With a powerful motor and sharp stainless steel blades, the chopper processes ingredients in just 30 to 60 seconds. Twin blade technology. Detachable double-layer stainless steel system provides quick and efficient chopping and dicing operation. Be it coarse, medium or fine, made from unbreakable ABS plastic for long-lasting and hassle-free use, can be used for chopping meat, fish, vegetables, cheese, nuts, fruits, or making salad, guacamole and baby food. With its intuitive one-touch operation, this mini chopper simplifies your food preparation. Blade reliability test, where water load test is conducted to ensure the blades are of excellent quality, ideal for busy kitchens and can do any tasks including grinding, blending, mixing and juicing. This appliance is suitable for chopping, shredding, slicing and emulsifying foods. It can make citrus, centrifugal and vegetable juice. Just press a button, and the powerful blades spring into action, effortlessly chopping your ingredients to perfection. Detachable components and dishwasher-safe design make cleaning easy so that you can enjoy your meal more. Quickly prepare healthy and delicious meals and snacks that the whole family will love. One-touch operation for effortless chopping and dicing, designed and engineered to simplify all your blending and grinding needs. Blender helps in making fluffier batters. A unique attachment that creates an active obstruction to the flow of ingredients, ensuring that the batter keep falling back onto the blade efficiently. Easy and convenient to maintain, electric coffee grinder for beans is equipped with stainless steel that can well mix whatever you are grinding. The large capacity of processing bowl makes it possible for you to knead sufficient quantity of atta in one go. Also, you can chop vegetables or mince meat as per your need in this adequately big processing bowl. Clean with a cleaning brush for quickly and easily cleaning. Has super intelligent motor that effortlessly auto-detects ingredient load, ensuring every blend delivers perfection in every sip and bite. The transparent blender jars enable you to see inside the jar, which helps you monitor the consistency while blending or grinding, and you don't have to keep opening the lid to check the results. Meticulously crafted using premium materials, guaranteeing durability and long-lasting performance. Feel the superior quality that sets us apart from the rest. Portable blenders feature powerful motors and ultra-sharp blades that effortlessly pulverize fruits, veggies, and ice, delivering silky smooth smoothies, refreshing juices, and delectable shakes in seconds. Designed for the modern on-the-go lifestyle, portable blenders are your ideal travel companions. Compact, lightweight, and equipped with rechargeable batteries, they easily fit into your backpack, gym bag, or even your car's cup holder. Both citrus and centrifugal juicing attachments. Overload protection for motor. Safety, has 2-speed setting plus pulse, also has safety lock for safe operation, both wet and dry, from turmeric and coconut to idli batter, smoothies and much more. Powerful 500-watt rated motor with overload protection for continuous operation, BPA free. With pulse button operation, you can now make smoothies as per your desired texture. This smoothie blender is best for fitness lovers, as you can make your smoothies instantly, made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Anti-gravity laid locks ensure complete safety while being convenient to use. The clips stay open and in place, making it easy to secure the jar in place. Offers 2-speed options, including turbo mode. Chopping the onions, vegetables, slicing, shredding carrot, radish etc., making finger chips, whisking curd, egg, peeling potatoes, peas etc. for your daily kitchen use, with unbreakable plastic container and German steel blades without giving extra load on the mixer. It's strong and durable that last long after many years of use. Super quality stainless steel blades are able to grind everything and stay sharp despite working at high speeds. Easy to operate, clean, detachable and easily washable parts. Compact and lightweight, self-locking jars ensure secure mating of jar with mixer base, eliminating wear and tear of couplers and allows for easy pick and place of jars. Penta drive couplers are self-aligning, high strength and designed to withstand the high torque and load required for tough grinding applications suited to Indian cooking. Just put the ingredients in the mini food processor, place the lid, and press the on button for a few seconds to mince the food. Blending jar ensures to meet decent cooking volumes for small family parties or celebrations. Comes with splash guard which enables to keep your kitchen clean and non-messy while mixer does its perfect blending, dough or whisking, easy to installing and uninstalling bowl and attachment. The anti-slip rubber cap are fixed at the bottom for safety and not spilling mixture, perfect for making large batches of shakes, smoothies, and other drinks. It can easily handle a variety of ingredients, making it ideal for use in busy kitchens. Features multiple speed settings, allowing you to blend ingredients to the perfect consistency. Whether you are making a thick smoothie or a light salad dressing, easy to use and comes with a simple interface that makes blending a breeze. It also features a safety lock to prevent accidental spills and mishaps. With its sleek and modern design, this blender is a stylish addition to any kitchen. Its white color complements any decor, while its compact size makes it easy to store when not in use. Motor with hardened stainless steel blades can easily break ice cubes and frozen fruits. Get benefit from the whole food nutrition by thoroughly pulverizing the fruits, vegetables, seeds, nuts and much more. Variable speeds allow you to handle variety of ingredients. Use the speed control knob to go between low and high speeds. Tap or hold down the switch to pulse foods like ice cubes, chunky salads, nuts, grains. Machine is convenient, lightweight which is free from the potentially harmful BPA and is also extremely durable and hard-wearing. Appliance perfect for crushing, blending, chopping, grinding, processing food, making puree or liquefy. Stainless steel blades are designed to deliver perfect smoothie, frozen dessert, ice crush, soup and controlled processing, along with specialized blades for toughest ingredients, masalas, chutneys, shakes and purees. This appliance comes with lead-proof, food-grade stainless steel jars with a semi-transparent lid that allows you to see the ingredients for perfect consistency, uniquely designed blunt pounding blade with thick edges which replicates pounding effect on dry ingredients, thus giving authentic texture and taste. Enhanced aeration and high-performance grinding with innovative active flow breaker, completely hands-free operation with unique lid locks. Thanks for watching.